What's up everyone, Jake's Aviation here. Today we're going to be doing a model unboxing and review. Got this package in front of us, it just came in the mail. It's from Waffle Collectibles. And I think I know what it is, but I'm going to go ahead and make this a little bit of a surprise. So let's get right on into it. So here we have it, it's a small box, obviously they packaged it up real nice. Shout out to Waffle Collectibles for their really fast shipping, their 2-day shipping with FedEx. Really appreciate it. Alrighty. We have one. I know there's one more in here. Alright, here we go. So, I know exactly what these little suckers are. Alright, so we have these two models right here. They're the same thing. They are the brand new NG models, the July releases, the Spirit A321. I ordered 2 of these for the airport in the future. So here we have it, guys. So 2 Spirit A321s, NG models. Now I gotta say, before I actually unbox these and stuff, I'm sure you all are aware of what happened with the JetBlue A321. A lot of people received broken models. I, myself included, with 2 of them coming broken. A lot of other people received broken ones. Now, some people received ones that weren't broken. Maybe it was just the batch that they made. It was just maybe one batch or something. But I had pre-ordered these. I believe it was before I actually got the JetBlue and realized that they were broken. So I'm a little scared because I sent an email to NG Models saying, look, you guys need to fix your quality. Don't fall down the same hole, or don't go down the same road as Gemini Jets with their shitty quality. I'm calling Gemini Jets out like that right now because I'm continuously disappointed by their quality. So many of their models come broken, or that you have to put back together, or they're missing tires and this and that. It's really frustrating. Most of them are fixable, but I don't know. For example, I haven't done a review of this model yet, but I got this model and it came broken. So you'll see that in a video at some point. But anyway, back to the point at hand. NG models, their A321, their American A321 came, for me, that was fine. That's all good. The mold was good. The plane came fine. I have more actually on order. Hopefully they come in one piece as well. But the JetBlue one kind of scared me with those coming with the wings falling off. That really scared me. I'm hoping that neither of these are broken. Well, let's see what happens. Gemini Jets, their models. Here's another thing I just want to go off on a tangent about. The fact that NG Models released this, and then right afterwards, Gemini Jets released the same exact plane themselves. That really angered me because there's so many other models. Like, they could have done a Spirit A321 Neo, another one. They could have done a 319, or just a normal 320. There's so many other models that are needed for people, like people need them in their collection. Why are they doing the exact same thing that NG just released? We've already got a 321. Make another Spirit aircraft that we actually need. I.e., like I said, the 320 Neo or standard like CEO, or a 319. Would have been a much better release, but no, they went and got this. They went and released the same exact plane. So I will definitely not be getting one of theirs. I hope a lot of people really don't get their models, just because NG has a better quality model, and Gemini Jets just does it because they're trying. I don't know what they're trying to do. Either way, it's really annoying. I'm really happy. I'm really excited, but at the same time, a little scared. Hopefully these aren't broken. But yeah, NG models, their models are great. Their quality is great, although they're starting to slip a little bit, I've noticed. I saw a picture of this model online a couple days ago, and the engines, that it really scared me because they looked really low to the ground, and I called engine models out for it. I haven't really got a response or anything, but they got to do better. They have to do better. The engines looked too low to the ground. So I'm hoping that was just a one-off thing. I'm hoping I'm not going to unbox this and see the same thing for myself. But if I do, I'm not going to be I'm not going to be like too happy. As long as the model's in one piece, I'm not going to be like super disappointed. I'm just going to be kind of surprised because I would have thought they would have done better. But anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and unbox both, but let's start with this one first. So it's very, well, first off, start with the box. It's a really nice design on the box. Engine models, I got to give it to them. Their box design is up there with like Phoenix models and whatnot. It's fantastic. Honestly, it's all yellow with the Spirit, home of the Bear Fair. It's good stuff. But let's get to the inside. So here we have the model. Oh boy. Oh boy. I'm already seeing what looks to be a detachable wing. That really annoys me. Unbelievable. Let's see. Let's hope that's not actually the case. But we're about to find out. So we got that there. Here we have it. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit here. I'm gonna put that one to the side here, and let's go ahead and unbox this. So I like how they do the cardboard, but it doesn't seem to matter if the model, like why is the packaging so good and the model's then broken, you know? I can already see what looks to be like one wing is detached and not properly put on, which is really disappointing, like unbelievably disappointing. I hope that's not the case for all of these that people have ordered, and maybe the second one that I have is not broken. Jeez, this is tougher than I thought. Wow. Okay, there we go. Finally. Bit of a struggle. Okay, moment of truth. It's together. Oh boy, it's a little wobbly, but hey guys, it's together. It's together. Woo! The wing did not fall off. But there is something I'll have to show you though. I'll unbox the second one before I show you that. So let's put that to the side. Let's put this one to the side. So it's in one piece. I'm really happy about that. I was really scared for a second there. All right, let's go ahead and unbox this one. All right. Looks good. Looks really good. Looks just fine to me. That one comes off a whole lot easier. There we go. Oh, it's intact, guys. Woo! That is good to know. Actually, you know, it's quite sad when us like model collectors are excited for the fact that our planes are intact because we just expect them to fall apart when we take them out of the packaging. It's quite sad that in 2020 it's come to the point where we have to put most of our models together and we can't get good models that come in one piece or not missing parts. It's quite sad. So anyways, there we have the two of them. Just got a little, move that over right there. So there's both aircraft. I'm gonna go ahead and just like zoom in and show you both. Oh, yeah, no kidding. That engine thing is an issue. Go figure. Overall, though, the models do look amazing. Like the colors, the feel of them, the detail with the antennas and stuff that you'll see. It's great. The wings look good. The sharklets are good. I'll go into more detail in a second here, but overall, just looking at it like you guys are right now, it looks great. So let's zoom in and get to this. All right, here we go. So here we have the front of the aircraft. All Alright, so we got the cockpit, the nose wheel and everything, and the door. Great detail and everything. Give me 1 second. Let me see if I can better up the lighting here. Alright. So there you have it. So you can see that. So moving along, you have the second door, Spirit title. Good old Spirit. The engine detail, home of the Bearfair. Now, this is where I have an issue with this model, I think. It looks to me that these engines are way too low to the ground. Now, I didn't notice that with the JetBlue or the American. Maybe I was not looking for it. Or maybe I did notice and I just didn't say anything, or I looked probably right at it and it didn't really bother me. Although this time, because I'm seeing it and I've seen a picture of the plane before and how it looked, and someone else mentioned it and I saw it for myself too, I was like, yeah. Oh, and just to mention, you don't have the antennas, obviously. They do good. Angie does a good job with the antennas. But yeah, so the engine, great detail. Home of the Bearfair. I think it says... Oh, no, it does not say it on the inside. I couldn't remember if the real airline did that or not. Like the real aircraft had it or not. But home of the Bearfair, and then you have the little Spirit... Oh, is it going to focus? Come on. Give me a second. It says Spirit.com is what I'm trying to show you guys. So they've done a really good job of getting the details right there. Fine-tuned. They just won't focus. The wings look great. If it'll focus. The wings look great, and then obviously on this side, I'll just show you the inside has Howdy. And that's really good. That's pretty damn good if you ask me. So, yeah, just moving along. More antennas. The back, the doors, and then the registration of this aircraft is November 681 November Kilo NK. And then you have the Spirit titles on the tail. So overall, great on this side. Let's just show you this side. And this side. It's just got the baggage door. Registration American flag. Tail area. Wings. And everything, the engines. So overall, really nice model, guys. The detail is, I'm really happy with all the detail on it. Show you the underbelly, just a straight yellow underbelly. Nothing too fancy. Great detail on the engines and everything though. So yeah, just looking at it, like eyeing the model, I have to say the engines are a little bit low. Maybe it doesn't show that much on the box because the box is it's not like the flattest of a surface, so I don't... it's a little low. They're a little low. They're not as low as I saw in that picture online. But overall, a great model. I'm actually really happy. The other one, the same exact thing. Actually, so there was something I did want to show you on this one though. So this was what concerned me. If you look close enough, if it'll focus, you can see here where it looks as if the wing is detached. And that's what scared me. If I look underneath, it doesn't look as bad. Move that back there. There we go. It doesn't look as bad. You can tell a little bit, but on the top you can see how there's that little kind of looks like it's pulling away. And that's what scared me, because I saw that right through in the plastic, and that's why I was like, oh, please tell me it's not a detached wing. However, it's not detached. These are in one piece, so I guess NG models did listen and did see how much people were complaining. The fact that their model had to be, the other JetBlue model had to be put together. So it's great that this one is not in that condition and that it's all good to go. So highly recommend this model. I don't know, I wouldn't, just personally, I wouldn't really get the Gemini Jets version of it because it's Gemini Jets. Gemini Jets is probably going to have detachable wings. And knowing how their models are, good luck with that. Their 321 mold, it's not terrible, but I mean, why get that when you have this great detail and quality right here? So, I mean, I know these cost a little bit more, but they're worth it, honestly. They're beautiful models. So I'm really happy about this, guys. I'm really, the outcome is better than what I thought it might have been, because I was scared that these would have been broken. But thank goodness they're not. Highly recommend them. As I say, I got 2 for the routes and whatnot that they will run, and just I like, you know, 2 is better than 1. But overall, that's going to do it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and stay tuned for more videos in the future, whether that be plane spotting or unboxings. But yeah, hope you all enjoyed. See ya.